Unraveling the Mystery. Cat got your tongue? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a peculiar but fascinating phrase in the English language. Cat got your tongue? Have you ever been so surprised or embarrassed that you found yourself at a loss for words? Well, there's a quirky expression for that moment, and it involves an imaginary cat. Let's explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. Cat got your tongue? Is a rhetorical question used when someone is silent or fails to respond when a response is expected. It implies that the person is so surprised, nervous, or shy that they are momentarily speechless, as if a cat has literally grabbed their tongue and prevented them from speaking. It's important to note that this expression is often used in a light-hearted or teasing manner. The exact origins of "cat got your tongue" are a bit murky, with no definitive source. However, there are a couple of theories. One suggests that it may relate to the cat o' nine tails, a whip used by the English Navy for flogging, which left the victims so shocked they were speechless. Another theory ties it to ancient Egyptian punishment methods, where liars and blasphemers had their tongues cut out and fed to the cats. Though these origins are speculative, they contribute to the intrigue of the phrase. You might use "cat got your tongue" in casual conversations, especially when someone is unusually quiet or hesitant to speak. Here's how. In a playful context, when friends are joking around, and one suddenly goes quiet. With children, when kids are shy or hiding something obvious. In informal settings, amongst colleagues or classmates in a relaxed environment. Remember, the tone and context are key. This phrase is best used in situations where a light-hearted tease is appropriate, not in serious or formal contexts. Cat got your tongue? Is more than just an odd question. It's a playful way to address silence in conversation. Whether someone is shocked, embarrassed, or simply at a loss for words, this expression adds a touch of humor to the situation. We hope this video has shed some light on this curious phrase and perhaps even encouraged you to use it when the moment is right. Thank you for watching, and remember, if you ever find yourself speechless, you now have the perfect phrase at your disposal.